Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Akram and you're watching Knowledge 360. In this video, I'll show you how to develop a quiz game using basic C language. Here I am using very basic C language program to develop this quiz game. I hope you can understand it and enjoy the game. So first I will show you how the game works. Then I will show you the codings. So I am registering my name here first. So these are the instructions that we need to take care of to play the game. So you can read it once. There are basically two rounds in this quiz game: warm-up round and challenge round. When you basically when you clear the warm-up round, then only you can play the challenge round. So this is the basic thing of the game, and the game starts with the real game start with the challenge round. And in this round we will be asked a total of 10 questions. Each right answer will be awarded few dollars. By this way you can win up to 1 million cash prize. So this is all about the game, and you will be asked questions continuously till right answers are given. The point you give wrong answer, you are terminated and you will be awarded that much amount up to which you are right. So there is no negative means discount in your award for from the award for doing for giving wrong answer. So now press Y to start the game, or press any key to return to Y menu, to the main menu. So I am going back to main menu. So again I am pressing S to start the game, view to view the highest score. So till now I haven't played the game, so I don't have the highest score. And R to reset the score, means clear all the data, and press H for help and Q for quit. Help, you will get by pressing H you will get instructions. So these are the instructions. So and Q to quit, to exit the game. So I am pressing star S here. So I am registering my name. So, and these are the instructions. Now when I press Y, the this is the warm-up round that is started. So now it asks me which of the following is a palindrome number. See here, in warm-up round there are 10 questions, and out of those 10 questions I have to give right answers, at least 3 right answers. So see here, here first question is the palindrome number. So we know about palindrome number, I'm not going into that much. So this 23232, this C is the right answer. So I am pressing C and it says it's correct. Now press enter to for the next question. The country with the highest environmental performance index is, which country has the highest environmental performance index? So I think it must be Switzerland. Yes, I pressed C. This is Switzerland. I'm right. So which animal laughs like a human being? So I really don't know this answer, so I am giving here the answer D for the chimpanzee. Let's see. Wrong, it said that it's wrong. The correct answer is hyena, B, hyena. So again enter, and it said congratulations, you are eligible to play the game. So I am pressing space to play the game. So this is the point where actual game is started, and it asks me that what is the national game of England. So these are the four options, and as we know cricket is the national game of England. So I am pressing C, it gives me right answer. So study of earthquake is called what it is. So about the study of earthquake, so I am giving option A. A is correct answer, that seismology. So among the top highest peaks in the world, how many lie in Nepal? In the country Nepal, how many highest peaks of from the top 10 highest peaks of the world are in Nepal? So I think it's a C, that 8. Yes, 8 highest peaks are in the Nepal out of total 10. So there is another question from science, that laws of electromagnetic induction were given by We all know it was given by Faraday, so answer must be A. Yes, A is correct answer, Faraday. So next question is, in what unit is electric power is measured? See, electric power is measured in units. I think it's in units. Let's press D and see. If I give wrong answer, I'll be terminated with the amount that till now I have earned. So I have given D, that is wrong answer. The right answer is P, B, power. Power is measured, sorry, electric power is measured in power unit. So here I've given wrong answer intentionally to show you that here my game is terminated, and I have just as I gave here wrong answer. So see, here I have won this much amount till now, and press Y if you want to play next game. I don't want to play next game. Press any key to go to main menu. So I am pressing spacebar. So here I am on the main menu. Now I'll see my highest score. So I am pressing B. So my highest score is this much. Now I'll reset the score to clear that high score. So I am pressing R. The score must be reset. H, for H you have seen that it's for help, that gives you the instructions of the game. So these are all about the game. Now I'll press Q to quit the game. The game is exited. Now going to the coding part. This as you can see, this is very simple and basic C language codings are here, that you can see it's very clearly written. I hope you can get this and enjoy the video. I'm giving this source code link in the video description. You can download it from there for free, and I also invite you to improve this game more. And there's a bug, and I hope you can fix it, and let me know in the comment section what was the bug and how you fix it. And here I use Dev C++ compiler. If you don't have this in your system, no worries, you can download it from the link given in the video description. It's very easy and simple to download and install in the system. So I hope you can do that, or you can take help of any online assistance. Now I press compile and run to execute this code. So this is executed and we have the window here. So, and as I have seen, I have shown you how the game is progressed, so you can continue like that. So this much for the video. Let's meet in the next video with another project, and please subscribe my channel to get the updates of the video, and you can also check my playlist and video channel to explore more projects, because I post lots of projects, C++, Java, MySQL, PHP, and all kinds of language project I post there in my channel. So I hope you really like it, and if you like it, please like the please press the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's meet in the next project with another topic. Till then, take care, bye bye.